Hey guys, and welcome in or welcome back to my channel. So if I end up naming this video what I think I'm going to name this video, then yeah, it's been about 6 months since I have used a flat iron in my hair. I've just been rocking the blowout, but I need to go back to straight hair at least for this month, just because I've got some things with like Halloween tutorials and like wigs and stuff like that that my blown out hair just isn't going to fit under. So I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and straighten my hair. Now, if you've seen my Sephora VIB haul video, then you know that I purchased a new straightener, so I'm going to put that to the test today. Now, if you're looking at me in this video right now and thinking, okay, but sis, your hair looks pretty straight right now, I wasn't expecting it to be this straight. It is this straight because I have another new tool that I've added to my arsenal for my hair, and it might just be a game changer. So I have here a paddle brush blow dryer from Revlon. The full name will be in the description box down below. But y'all, this is a game changer. Okay, I was watching Natural Niecy demo this, and I was just like, I like her results. Let me go ahead and pick that up, and I did. And you know why you should believe me when I say that this is bomb? I actually did my own hair today. Yeah, this blowout that I've got going on here, I did that myself. That's why you should believe that this is a game changer, because if you are not new here and you've seen all the other videos I've done on my hair, you know I don't do my own hair. I can probably count on 1.5 hands how many times I have actually done my own hair before. So the fact that I not only did my hair myself, but like had no issues with this thing, bro, I'm telling you, I should go buy like 40 just in case Revlon ever wants to be cute and decides they want to discontinue this thing. And it's only $40. It's only $40. It's bomb. As far as how much time it took me to do my hair, I'd probably say an hour and 45 minutes, close to 2 hours. I don't feel like it was a full 2 hours, but let's just say that to be safe. But yeah, and it just hit me right in the lip. But yeah, it most certainly cut down my blow drying time. Now, to style my hair, I'll be using the Bio Iconic 10X Pro Styling Iron 1 inch. This is a vibrating iron. I've tried most irons out there. I've never tried a vibrating one, so we'll see how that goes. But in case you missed that Sephora haul video, this retails for $230. Yeah, so we'll be putting this $230 straightener to the test today. Okay, so I started out by sectioning my hair into halves, and then I took one of those halves and broke it up into 2 more halves. Now I'm just going to take this section right here and use this Tresemme heat protectant and spray it on to my hair. Okay, so while the product soaks itself into my hair there, I'm going to figure out how to use this straightener. So, okay, it says turn on, push, and hold. Okay, and that turned on. To turn vibration on, push the power button once. The degree button will blink when the vibration feature is on. I don't even know if I want the vibration on. I don't know. And as far as what, can you see it vibrate? As far as what degree I'm going to use, I was looking in the booklets, and let me pull that up. Okay, so if you have fragile, very fine hair, you should be using 280 to 300, fine hair 320 to 340, medium textured 360 to 380, thick 400 to 420, coarse, very thick 450. Usually with the what is it, Irresistible Me, the straightener I was using beforehand, I was using 415. I feel like I'm in the thick category here, so I'm gonna go with 400 just because my hair's pretty, again, from the blow dryer, my hair's pretty straight right now, so we're just gonna play it safe because I don't know what's going on with the vibrating and everything else, and go with 400 there for my hair. Oh, and before I start actually doing my hair, so if you have seen my other hair videos, then you know that this was my favorite tool when it came to straightening my hair. However, I went to go use it today and it is broken. I'm not sure how I'm going to make this work, but I guess that's what you get when you pay for like $6 for something. What am I gonna do? And I didn't realize it was broken until I sat down to start filming. It's been like 6 months since I've used it, so all right, so the product is pretty much soaked in there. Out of that half that I broke this side into, I'm gonna take this section here and break that up into another half and do this first. So let me just twist that up. So what I would normally do is take a section like this big and see what, oh, that's the vibrating. Oh, did you guys hear that? You hear that? Okay, well, let me stop playing with my hair here, but go over my roots like 3 or 4 times. So 3, 4, and then go over the entire length 1 time. And then I would usually take this broken how am I gonna, this right here, put my hair in it. I guess this will be the best I can do with this today, and follow it with the straightener. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do throughout my entire head. This will be the part where it starts to speed up. Alrighty then, so I needed a break, but this is one side of my hair done. If you notice blowing in the fast forward clips, there's a fan on that's legit, like right there. So no, I'm not on my Beyonce-ish there. It's just already really hot, and you know, adding the straightener, your girl's not trying to die, so I had to turn on a fan as well. I'll get back to the other side in a few minutes. So just, whew, I'm tired. So I started filming around 5 o'clock. I didn't put the iron in my hair until 5:15, 15-ish, and it just turned off, for those of you who care about stuff like that, like how long can it go before you have to turn it off. So it is currently 6:08, so it almost went an hour before turning off, which my other straighteners did not do. That is my hair straightened. Good thing I did the whole fast forward thing, because you would have heard that thunder throughout the entire time I was doing my hair. I just turned the fan off and I already feel myself sweating. So I gotta wrap this up because I just straightened my hair. You know, you can't be out here sweating. So basically on this straightener, let's see, I said I started around 5:15. It is 6:23. Never ever has it taken me an hour and 8 minutes to do my hair. So okay, actually there are a bunch of things about this straightener which I don't regret getting. Actually, there are a bunch of things about this straightener that make me not regret getting it. I like the vibrating. Well, I like the sound. That's how childish I am there. I like the sound of it, but I don't know. I feel like my hair does kind of look and feel a little bit different than, you know, when I straighten it any other time. I don't know, it could just be me, but I'm feeling more silkiness here. I don't know. You go back to the videos where I've had straight hair before and let me know what you think there. But yeah, I feel like the time that it took me to do this was reduced. I could use I could use a lower level of heat on my hair. I even took it down to 380 just because I felt like even 400 was a little bit much. Yeah, I don't regret this straightener at all, and I certainly don't regret this straightener in combination with that blow dryer. So all the information will be in the description box down below. I am legit sweating behind all these lights and without that fan on. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I know my straightening routine is rather simple, but not much has changed since the last time I did a hair straightening routine. It's just the tools that have changed, and that's has let me know that I gotta go ahead and get a new one of these, because this is a really helpful tool when it's not broken, and it's affordable. I think it's like $6 or $9 on Amazon, so that will be in the description box down below as well. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.